How to troubleshoot blue screen of death on Windows 10 or 11. Step 1. Go to your system configuration. First, we need to access a tool that allows us to modify how Windows starts up. This is usually done while Windows is running, but if your PC is stuck in a loop, you might need to force your way into the recovery environment. Step 2. Go to Boot section and enable Safe Boot. Now that the system configuration window is open, we'll set Windows to start in safe mode. Safe mode loads Windows with only essential drivers and services, which can help prevent the blue screen of death from recurring immediately and allow you to troubleshoot. Your computer will now boot into safe mode if your blue screen of death was caused by a non-essential driver or software. Step 3. Update your Windows and security. Once you're successfully in safe mode, updating your system can often resolve issues caused by outdated software or security vulnerabilities. Step 4. If it's still not working, roll back your drivers to their past updates. If updating Windows didn't solve the blue screen of death, a recently updated or corrupted device driver is a very likely culprit. Rolling back the driver can restore system stability. After the driver rollback is complete, restart your computer normally. Ensure you have unchecked Safe Boot in msconfig as described in Step 2. Check if the blue screen of death is now resolved.